You check your bank account again, and that same heavy feeling hits your chest. Here's something nobody told you. You don't need more motivation. You don't need more discipline. You need 10 tiny habits. Habits so small, you'll laugh at how easy they are. These habits built millionaires who started with nothing. No willpower required. Stay till the end. Habit number 7 alone could change your next 10 years. Before we start, these aren't wake up at 5 a.m. and run 10 miles habits. Those fail because they need motivation you don't have yet. These habits are designed for people who feel stuck, broke, and unmotivated right now. Each one takes less than 2 minutes. Let's go. Habit 1. The $1 rule. Every single day, move just $1 into savings. Not because $1 matters, because the habit of saving matters. Your brain doesn't know the difference between saving $1 and saving $1,000. You're training the identity of a person who saves, and that identity is worth more than any amount. Habit 2. The 60-second money check. Every morning, before you check social media, check your bank balance. 60 seconds. No judgment, no shame, just awareness. People who avoid looking at their money stay broke. People who look, even when it's scary, start fixing it. Habit 3. Name your future self. Give your future wealthy self a name. Sounds strange, but it works. When you're about to make an impulse purchase, ask, would future self's name buy this? This tiny mental trick separates you from the decision in a way pure willpower never could. Habit 4. The 24-hour rule. Anything over $50 you want to buy, wait 24 hours. You're not denying yourself. You're just delaying. Most desire fades in a day. What survives the 24 hours, you can buy guilt-free. Habit 5. Track 3 numbers. You don't need a complicated budget. Just track 3 numbers daily. What you earned, what you spent, what you saved. Habit 6. Read for 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day of financial education. A book, an article, a video like this one. Compound interest doesn't just work on money. It works on knowledge. 10 minutes today becomes a financially literate version of you in 1 year. Habit 7. The 1% rule. The big one. This is the habit that changes everything. Try to get 1% better with money every single week. Not 100%, not overnight transformation, just 1%. 1% compounded weekly for a year makes you nearly 70% better than where you started. This is how people with zero discipline build real wealth. They stop chasing huge leaps and trust tiny, boring consistency. Habit 8. Automate one thing. Pick one bill, one savings transfer, one investment, and automate it today. Discipline fails. Automation doesn't. The richest habit isn't willpower. It's removing the need for willpower entirely.
Habit 9. Surround yourself with growth. Follow 3 new people, podcasts, or pages focused on financial growth, and unfollow 3 that drain your money mindset. Your environment shapes your habits more than your motivation ever will. Habit 10. The nightly win. Before bed, name one money win from today. Even something tiny, like, I didn't buy that coffee. Your brain remembers what you celebrate. Celebrate progress, and your brain starts hunting for more of it. Recap and tie together. That's it. 10 tiny habits. None of them need motivation. None of them need discipline. They just need repetition. And repetition is something even the most unmotivated person on earth can do. Your future wealth was never hidden in big moves. It was hidden in these small, boring, repeatable habits, the ones you can start in the next 60 seconds. Pick just one habit and start today. Like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.